Letter writing. A letter is a form of written communication. It is broadly divided into informal, formal, and semi-formal letter writing. However, in this lesson, we shall examine only informal and formal letter writing. Informal letter. An informal letter is a letter written to a person who has a close relationship with the writer, such as the writer's parents, relations, friends, classmates, and so on. It is written for personal purpose. Format of an informal letter. An informal letter has the following format. Number 1, writer's name, which is followed by date at the right-hand top margin of the paper. Every word here must begin with capital letter. Number 2, salutation, such as Dear Jane, My dear Jane, Dearest Jane, My dearest Jane, Hi Jane. This is usually at the left-hand margin of the paper, immediately below the date. Number 3, introductory paragraph. It is very essential in every letter or essay. It is written to catch the reader's attention and to give a hint on why the letter is being written. 4, body of the letter. It begins immediately after the introductory paragraph. This is where the message or messages of the letter appear. Each paragraph in the body of the letter must contain only one main idea, message, or point. Number 5, conclusion. This is usually the last paragraph in a letter or essay. The role of the conclusion is to make the reader know that the letter or essay is coming to an end. It comes after conclusion, at the right-hand margin of the paper. You can end an informal letter with each of the following examples of complimentary clues. Yours sincerely, yours ever, yours affectionately, yours lovely, with love from, your son, your brother, your friend, and so on. But note, you don't say yours son, yours daughter, or yours friend. It is your brother, your son, your daughter, your friend. Number 7, writer's name. This is the very last thing that has to be written in an informal letter. It has to be the writer's first name or pet name. Formal letter. This is a type of letter written for an official purpose. Its recipient usually has no personal relationship with the writer. It has the following format. Writer's address at the top right-hand margin of the paper. It is followed by date. Number 3, official salutation, which is usually Dear Sir, Dear Madam. That is, if you are sure the recipient is a woman. Other official salutations include Your Excellency, Your Lordship, Your Royal Highness, and so on. Number 4, title of the letter. This can all be written in capital letters or in initial capital letters, meaning that the main words such as nouns, verb, adverb, adjective, negative auxiliaries are all started with capital letters. A title written in initial capital letters must be underlined. Number 5, introduction. The candidate should give a clear and brief introduction on the matter he or she wants to discuss in the letter. Number 6, the main body. Number 7, conclusion. Number 8, complementary clues. The only suitable complementary clues for a formal letter is yours faithfully. Only the Y of the yours is capitalized. Number 9, writer's full name. Number 10, writer's official position, if any.